just finished our first combo.
Yes, indeed.
At Lewis and Cynthia's house.
We're excited that this is going to be something that looks good together with different colors and different heights and different textures, which is really nice. And we have a lot of bee-friendly plants, but it'll be nice to have sort of an area close to the beehive.
You know, I think the idea of focusing on perennials that are native to the area, will grow and do well in the area is interesting to us.
It'll be exciting to see how these things grow in, yeah.
All right, on to the next.
On to the next.